Hello, I am Mensa Augustine. In this lesson, I'm going to look at how to solve quadratic equation using the method of completing the square. Now let's take this example. Let's say that we have root 5x squared plus x plus root 5 equals 0. Wow. How do we solve this? Using the method of completing the square. First, we make sure that the coefficient of x squared is positive 1. So we divide through by this root 5. So we have x squared plus x divided by root 5 plus root 5 divided by root 5 is 1 equals 0. Then we group the terms. We have x squared plus x on root 5 is the same as 1 on root 5 times x equals negative 1. Now, we take this coefficient 1 on root 5 and multiply it by half. But before we do that, let us rationalize this first. If we rationalize this, we have root 5 on root 5 times this. This gives root 5 on 5. So we take root 5 on 5 and half it. This gives root 5 on 10. Then we square it in a very simple way. So we have x squared plus 1 on root 5x plus root 5 on 10 squared equals negative 1 plus root 5 on 10 squared. Wow. So here we are going to take the ones carrying the square. So this is x and this is positive root 5 on 10. All squared equals negative 1. If we square root 5, we get 5. If we square 10, we get 100. So here, but 5 divided by 100 is the same as 1 out of 20. So let's do that one first. So this is 1 out of 20. Now, we have this to be equal to negative 19 on 20. And this is x plus root 5 on 10 all squared. If we take square root of both sides, we have x plus root 5 on 10 equals plus or minus the square root of negative 19 on 20. Wow. So this gives x equals negative 5 on 10, negative root 5 rather on 10, plus or minus square root of negative 19 on, if we root this, we have 2 root 5. Because 20 is simply 4 times 5, and root 4 is 2, so we get 2 root 5. Now, let's see. We have x equals negative root 5 on 10, plus or minus. Then we rationalize this. If we want to rationalize this, we multiply here by root 5 on root 5. So here, this will give us square root of negative 95, all divided by root 5 times root 5 is 5, times 2 gives us 10. So we have x equal to negative root 5 on 10 plus or minus square root of 95 on 10, then we bring here I. I simply means square root of -1. So here, root of 90, square root of 95 is the same as square root of 95 times square root of -1. And square root of -1 is I. So our answer simply becomes x equals -√5. Then we have plus or minus the square root of 95 all divided by 10 I. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments.